Today, I'm excited to share that we've rolled out the Bark Assistant to every profile in the product. This is an AI-powered conversational interface that lets parents manage their child's device using just plain language. Things like pause the internet until bedtime, set a 2-hour screen time limit on YouTube, or turn off the camera. Instead of navigating through multiple screens and settings menus, parents just say what they want and the assistant handles it. It understands context, like the child's current routines, active limits, and device capabilities, so it can give you smart, relevant responses every single time. I believe this is going to fundamentally change how parents experience Bark. Our product has grown to cover a lot: screen time, content monitoring, location, device management, and with that comes complexity. The assistant collapses all of that into a single intuitive conversation and makes the daily interactions with Bark feel effortless, because the answer to "how do I do X in Bark" is now just ask the Bark Assistant.